Running a therapy practice is all about supporting your clients, but managing leads, booking appointments, and following up can become overwhelming. These administrative tasks can take away valuable time that you could be spending helping your clients. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel GHL automation workflow template tailored specifically for therapists. This solution automates your lead generation, streamlines client communication, and simplifies appointment scheduling, so you can focus on what matters most, your clients. Here's how it works. 1. Lead capture. 2. The system automatically collects leads from your website, social media, and online ads, organizing them in the GHL CRM so you can manage inquiries effortlessly. 3. Instant follow-ups. 4. When a new client expresses interest, the system sends personalized follow-ups via SMS or email, making sure they feel supported and encouraging them to schedule an appointment. 5. Online booking system. 6. Clients can easily book sessions online through an integrated calendar, saving time and eliminating the need for back-and-forth communication. 7. Automated appointment reminders. 8. The system sends reminders before each session, helping clients stay on track and reducing no-shows. 9. Post-session follow-ups. 10. After each session, the system follows up with clients to thank them, gather feedback, and remind them to schedule future appointments. This automation workflow template is designed to save you time, enhance client communication, and grow your practice. With lead capture, follow-ups, booking, reminders, and post-session engagement all handled automatically, you can focus on providing exceptional care while your practice runs smoothly in the background. Ready to take your therapy practice to the next level? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start automating your success today. Don't wait. Streamline your practice now.